Okay, in previous video we have talked about the home.html and detail.html. Everything we have covered and every article is shown on the admin panel as well as on the page of, well, the web page. In this video I wanted to talk about the category, but before that I've seen a very well, a great error that we have to solve that, or we have to fix that error before going to, well, category parts. Okay, let's see. Let me tell you. For example, let's have the article list we have here. Okay, we have said that we have the article, and for example, fourth, it shows something. But what if I write something here like this? Okay, some Slack which does not, well, contain any article in the database. What happens now? And if I enter, okay, this is something very weird we have seen here. Does not exist, this. Okay, it's very bad when some users just face this kind of error. Okay, what's the solution? How we can solve this? Okay, let's see here. We have something like get object or 404. Okay, there are two kinds of solutions we have. One, like we can use the try block. Like we can use here the try block, try except. But another solution is get article or 404. How we can use this? Okay, the article, the objects, instead of this get, we just say get object. Okay, instead of all the things, get object or 404. What we have here? The article, and the slug is slug. Okay, fine, it's done. Okay, now if I press this refresh, well, 404, I think it's better than the previous one. Okay, it looks well. But for example, let's have this fourth, article fourth. Okay, I said that when we have something like the status, if it is the status is draft, it should not show. Okay, when I refresh this, we can see it still here on our website. How we can solve this? Instead of this, after the slug, we can say that, well, we can use this status. Okay, status means published. Now when I refresh this page, it will not show that. See, 404. Okay, it's better. I think it's very nice. Okay, this error here shown, so I want to have this article again, and, well, which article it was? Number 4. It should be a published again, and it must show again. Okay, this is very nice, and we have covered this. Let's see one more thing here. In admin panel, you have seen here the articles, but what if we have here the list of articles, because it is the list of articles. Okay, now let's change this and we get how we can use it. Here is something like class meta. Okay, in class meta we have some verbose name. So in verbose name we can have that list of articles. Okay, now there is nothing. When I refresh this page, you can see list of articles is nice, and it's better than the previous one, or the articles. Okay, now let's talk about the categories. Overall, we have three kinds of, well, relationship. We have relationship here. Okay, in Django or any database, we have three kinds of relationship. One is many-to-many. Okay, the other is, well, many-to-one. Okay, the other is one-to-one. These are three kinds of relationships. Okay, this many-to-many is used, well, for categories specifically, because if for the same articles, if we have the category, so we can use this many-to-many relationship. What does it mean? It means each category can have many articles, and each article can be in many categories. So many to many. And what about many to one? Means it is specifically a foreign key. We can use, instead of this many to one, a foreign key. So when you talk about this thing with other developer, you have to tell that it is a foreign key. They do not use many to many. Instead of this many to one, they say that as foreign key. Okay, it is specifically like comments. Like each article can have many comments, but each comment can be only for one article. One comment cannot be for many articles. Okay, that's why it's many to one, or is a foreign key. What about one to one? For example, let's have a mobile number of some user. We have talked about the user here. Okay, we have seen here the users. If we, well, you know why? Because it is throwing an error here. Okay, now let's refresh this. Okay, here we had the user admin. Here, for example, we just implement something else here as well, mobile number. Because in mobile number, for example, we restrict everything, like one number as just for one user, and one user is for one mobile, for one. So one user can use only one mobile number. One user cannot use many mobile numbers. Okay, or one mobile number can be used only for one user. So that's why it is one to one. So these things are very, very special, and you have to know this and you have to learn this. If you do not understand these things, you will face a lot of issues. So that's why I just talked about this. And let's see how we can have the categories here, how we can use the category. And well, I just keep it here, or I clean this, and I want to have a class category. Okay, model. Okay, in class category we have a title. Every category will have a title. Okay, the title will be a character field, and the maximum length, well, it can be 200. Okay, and every category can have a slug. Models dot slug field is like, I think, well, the article when we had here. Okay, it can have 100. Okay, and again it can be it can be a unique. It is uniqueness as well, true. Okay, every category will have a title, a slug, and a status. Either the category is, well, on or off, or, well, it's true or false. Okay, this will be boolean field, and the default I can use true. The default is, every category is by default true. Okay, the position. One thing is, here we have the position. And why we use this position in this category? Because we later, when we talk about the, well, ordering, we can use this position very, very well. Okay, this is the category we have. And let's have the, well, we had a class meta. Okay, in class meta we have a verbose name. Okay, and verbose name we have list of categories, and also we can have ordering, as I said, that how the order should be here, like the order should be and according to positions. Okay, so after that we have here def, we have def str self, and return something like self dot title of the category as well, and clean. Now let's see, we cannot see here anything. Now let's have this in, well, admin panel. In admin panel we also can have something like the article we had, and I want to import the category. Okay, class category admin, from admin model admin, and we have the list display. The list display will be like position, title, slug, and status. And it will also have the list filter. Okay, in the list filter we have only one thing, that will be according to status, either it is true or false. Okay, we have like I think is enough for now. It's very enough. Let's use this admin.site. Let's register this, and category, we can use this category admin. It's very clean. But before having this admin panel, let's run the make migrations. Okay, it says that the model category is created and everything is changed, or it has. Now let's migrate this. Okay, now let's run this, the server. Okay, we have, when I refresh here, you just see list of categories. Okay, when you click on the list of categories, you will find something here like add list of categories. Okay, for example, you have a title, the category will be like science. Okay, the slug will be science. The status is true and the position will be 1. Okay, save. And I want to computer. Okay, the position will be 2, and here I want to have the Linux. Okay, the position will be 3. Okay, the title, everything is here very well. Everything works fine. But let's see for article. Okay, let's have the article 4. Okay, in article 4 we have not seen anything like category. For example, we do not know this article 4 is in which category, or which category suits for this article 4. Okay, for that matter, we want to have this one thing, like an admin panel, or in model, sorry, we want to have this category. Like I want to have this category, and as I said that we use many-to-many relationship, many-to-many field as relationship, and just category, add the category. Okay, this category has come from here. We have used this category. It means that just this category is a part of this article. Okay, now let's see the admin panel. If I refresh this, okay, we have seen some error. The error said blog article category. No such table. We have to run make migrations. Okay, make migrations. The spelling is not correct. Migrate. Here also it says add field category to article. Okay, migrate, and now let's run the server. Okay, when I run the server and I just refresh this page, we see here a category. Okay, one more thing I must tell here for categories, like we can add a category. How? Here we will have, for example, Windows. Okay, Windows, and the position will be, for example, 4th. Okay, let's select 2 or more things. For example, that article is in 2 categories, science and Linux, for example. Let's save this. Let's this. We have saved, but we cannot see any category here. Okay, the category is not mentioned here. How we can have that category here in this part, and how we can use that? Okay, now let's have that in, well, this admin panel. Here after status we want to have category, but I think it throws an error. You know why? It says that block admin, article admin, for example, the value of list display for after status must not be ManyToMany field or a reverse foreign key. Well, this is very important. You have to learn this, because when we have it here of ManyToMany, it is not suitable here. It cannot be, well, done here. That's why we have to have some methods, some like functions, and when we use that, we can have this category here. Now let me have very simple function here, and after that I will explain this function. In the next video I'll explain each and everything. In this video I want to just have something very, very simple. For example, category to string. I have something like self and object, and here, for example, let's have, well, categories. Okay, I just add, instead of this category, this function name. Okay, now I think it works fine. Okay, it has worked. Okay, when I refresh this, it shows category to a string. Well, categories, and everything is mentioned here. In the next video I'll explain why it is like that, and how we can add all the things, like for example the article 4, which is in 2 categories or has 2 categories, so both of them should be shown here. And in the next video I'll tell all of them. And this video I think is enough, and is very, very a lot. So we'll see in the next video. Thank you.